Hey guys, it is Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with a ginormal haul. I kept saying, like, I'm gonna wait until I have a couple more things, but then I'm looking at the stack and I'm like, probably shouldn't wait any longer. It's getting a little crazy. So I do have a huge stack from Happy Scrappy that I'll show that at the end just because there's a lot. So let's go ahead and show you guys everything else. So I did order a planner, and I ordered this off Amazon. I think it was like $8 to $9 with free Prime shipping. So I have seen Patty from Planning Fancy use this planner before, and it was so cute. She might actually use the smaller one. This is funny. So it comes with like a little ruler and then a little like journaling card and then a little sheet of stickers, which is really funny. I'll probably put all of this stuff straight into my declutter pile because I'm not going to use it. So I did order this, and this is just like a hollow PVC personal planner. Honestly, feel like I might have found my planner piece with sizing, and this one isn't it. But I'm going to save this just in case I want to do a personal setup one day, and it was really inexpensive. So if you want to try out planners that are rings, definitely try a PVC like plastic planner because they just are real inexpensive. Then I have a small order from Wonton in a Million. There were 2 journaling cards in my order, and I did order the friendship bracelets. I don't know if I'm going to wear these or somehow display them. Kind of leaning towards displaying them, and these are so cute. These are the cutest little jewelry pouches I've ever seen, and I definitely want to save these and use them for something. But I did order the little like bestie bundle, and I'm going to show you guys as well as I can. These are really pretty. They're like rose gold. They're almost like gold. Like I would wear them with my gold jewelry and not think twice about it because I'm not really a mixing metal when it comes to jewelry person. But you do have a little steamy and a little Sooooo. Isn't that so cute? And then they have little like diamonds on the top. Not real diamonds obviously, but they're super cute. And I remember her saying something about the sizing. They were a little bit big, but they don't, for my wrists, which I feel like my wrists aren't that big, I think it would work out pretty good. Yeah, they're a little bit bigger, but I think it's really cute. And I'm definitely going to find a way probably to display these or something along the lines of that. I want to find something cute to do with these, but they're super pretty, and never gonna be able to get it off with my nails. There we go. These are super cute, and I love the little bags they come in. They're just so cute. Like, that's just so funny. So that is my little order from Wonton in a Million. I do have a little like gift package from Jasenia, and I want to like take this off because again, no one will write my name as well as Jasenia does, and she sent me just a little package, which was really sweet. So she wrote me a little note that said that she wanted to send me some Happy Meal and that she was trying out vinyl. So we'll show you guys that last. And Jasenia does have a shop where she sells her hand-lettered items as well as some of her like art pieces, and then she also does sell inserts, which I do use, and I will show you guys more soon. But she did hand letter Living My Best Life, which I do have this digital, so you can buy this digital and essentially make this yourself. So I thought this was really cute, and I will be using this in a setup. And then she sent me these really cute pens, which are adorable. They make perfect little bookmarks or just cute things to stuff into pockets. This one says "You're Pretty" with gold, and then this one's rose gold and just has some shine and some bows. And then she sent me this tall washi card, which will fit so many of my spreads. And then on the back it says "They see me rolling, they hatin'," which when I opened this, I laughed so hard. This is so pretty, but I love the pink and the marble. And then there is a journaling card with a castle, and then it says "Have a magical day," which is really pretty. And then also in this little marble envelope, which is so cute, are a bunch of different vinyls. This one says "Trust in Life." It has a heart too. And this one says "You Magical AF. Smile with all your heart." This one says "Washi," and then this one is a with a bow in rose gold, which is so pretty. So thank you so much, Jasenia. I love it. I got so excited when it was in my mailbox, and I was like, yes. And it's so pretty, and I can't wait to pull those into some TN setups. I do have 2 orders with Simply Gilded, so I did get the rose gold anchor card as well as the buffalo check card that says "Warm and Cozy" with the little bunny. So I did place an order for her patriotic bows. She did another small release of them, and I did want to pick up the white with the silver
And I got a little blue with gold bow, but I wanted to pick up an extra set of these because I do go through the white with the metals the fastest. And I think I've decided that for future like pre-sales and stuff that I'm just going to pick up like one, unless it's like white with a color, because I feel like those are the ones that I actually might use multiple of. Then I did pick up from her new releases the buffalo check with the hot gold bows. And then I also got one of these little red seals, which is super cute. Love the color in that one. And then I did pick up the Tiffany blue washi, which I don't really think, do I have anything Tiffany blue? Show you how really, really, really perfect this color is. I do. I have a Tiffany pen, but this is like really like spot on perfection with the silver. So that is so exciting. I love Tiffany's. Then I did get my mystery kit from the Glam Planner. I get her mini kits, and then if I am like, oh, I need more, I just order her ultimate kits and shop. So she did a Tangled theme this month. So there is, I think, 7 full boxes in here, and then you get some big boxes, some checklists. These are washi strips on the side, weekend banner icons, checklists, some headers, flags, some functional items, a weekly checklist, a bunch of deco, half boxes, appointment labels, a movie marquee, a flight tracker, and a habit tracker. So super, super cute. I definitely used this in the spring. Then I do have an order in from Sadie's Stickers, and she wrote me a little note that, she's so funny. I mentioned in my last haul that there was like a little, like, not discrepancy, but she had marked my stuff as shipped and didn't ship it. When I asked her, she just said that she was like overwhelmed with orders. And I was like, I appreciate the honesty. And then she shipped it out right away. And then this order, she did ship it out like within the time. And whenever it was marked shipped, it actually was shipped. And she did go ahead and throw in some extras into my order, which was, sorry, my address was in the back of that. So I'm going to go ahead and take that part out. Yeah, so I did order some of her kits. Let me see. I think she threw in one of them because I ordered Autumn Rose, I ordered Warm and Cozy, I ordered Vacation, and then she threw in this one, which is like Hello Gorgeous, and then I also ordered this spell one, which I'm going to take out of here. So everything in this is like an extra she sent me, which I'll show you guys last. So I did order this kit, which I thought was really pretty. It's like really, really, really pretty. And her stuff is on like a premium matte paper. I really like her foiling, so this was really cool. Let me go ahead and wiggle it. Super pretty foiling. So then you have your functional page. This page has a foiled weekend banner and foiled date covers, and then also the washi is really pretty as well. And I think this is just her mini kit. And then also there is the glitter headers, which are also foiled with glitter on top, not glitter, foil on top of them. So there's that kit. And then I also ordered these, which are just photo kits. So I'm just going to honestly just show you the full boxes because the inside's just the same. These aren't like foiled or anything. But I thought these were really pretty for my work planner. And I thought her photo kits were really pretty. I feel like a lot of people use like similar pictures in autumn art last year. And I never picked up one. So I'm excited about that one. And then this one has a ton of roses in it. Super pretty. And then she sent me some extras in here, which are so pretty. So this is another foiled kit. I think this one came out already. So she did send me this foiled kit, which is really pretty. It has a really pretty gold foil on it, which I love. And then this, I think, is a new format, maybe? Ooh, okay. And I like this format a lot. So you have a bunch of boxes, some weekly checklists. Ooh, I like the bows. I love her bows. I'm glad she incorporated more of her bows in. Ooh, I like this format. And then there's boxes, bill dues, weekly trackers, some headers, maybe a little bit thicker than headers, appointment labels, some washi or decorative headers, regular headers, checklists with the bows. I love her bows. Just incorporate them in everything. And then half boxes, flags, scripts, weekend banner, and then some icons. And then this has some glitter headers here. So there's 4 glitter headers, some I don't know, date covers, fancy labels, and then there is 2 sets of washi. So you have the bows, which are really pretty. I love how big they are. I feel like I haven't seen bows that big before, and I'm like loving it. And then the knit on the bottom is really pretty. And then she also sent the bow header. I'm like loving this. Keep this. This is a good format. I love these. Yes, 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 yes. Then she also sent me some extras of her bow headers, which are so cute. I love those. I've used those. And then also these little mini bows. I'm just like obsessed with her bow. I think it's so cute. It's symmetrical. It's thin. It's, whenever she does it on here, I feel like there's a good amount of spacing. They're not too spaced out. They're not too squished together. I really like how it's symmetrical, thin. It's a good size. I like it a lot. And then last but not least, I do have a bunch of stuff in from Happy Scrappy. Sam spoiled me, but I think my favorite item is actually this ballpoint pen because it's so fun. Like, how fun is this? I'm like obsessed. Obsessed, obsessed, obsessed. So I'll go through her little pen sub first. So this did come with it, which is just a regular ballpoint pen, and it does come in this real fancy box that I destroyed a little bit, but it's okay because, I mean, I don't save boxes. It's not my thing. So there is a little journaling card, which is super cute, and then there's also a little, like what's in the box, and then there are some little die cuts here, which are super cute. These will probably go with her papers and stuff. So there's like a little unicorn washi, a unicorn mason jar, and then sparkle like a unicorn. So I already had pulled that pen out because I was like, ooh, want to play with that. And then I didn't touch anything else in here. So there are a bunch of pens in here. I have some scrap paper. I've been like on a like saving paper kick. Like I'll use a piece of paper and then like whatever parts I don't use fully, then I'm like, I need it to save it. So this is just one of those water brush pens. And then there is a gel pen, which has really cute like unicorns on it. I think this is just a gel pen. Ooh, it's purple gel, super cute. And then this is like a crystal pen. This is probably more of like a decorative pen. Oh wait, it's gel too. Getting these nibs off with nails is never a thing. This is a black gel pen. This is really pretty. If I ever do like a rose gold tan setup. What does it say on it? Stay magical. And then there are some of these unicorn pens. I'm assuming they might write different colors. And then this one says unicorn on it. No, it's just black. But this one's really nice. This is a very like fancy gel pen. And then there's this one, which I believe is also a gel pen, so I'm not going to open that one. And then, are these all gel pens? Gel. No, they're black. That's not as smooth as the other one. And then there is this, which is a stamper. Kind of like has a watercolor vibe. Super cute. And then the other side is just a like little marker. So that is her pen sub, which I've never gotten her pen sub before. So super cute. Then I have some of her albums, which are so pretty. Super excited. So there's this one, which is Galaxy and Bows. Super cute with like pink foil. And then there's this one, which is just like Planner Girl supplies. And then this one here has like a little bit of a shift glitter to it, and it's a Happy Daya little collab. And then this one's really cute as well with like little fashion items. And then she also sent me this one, which is so cute. This is one of the Wonton and a Million collabs. I think by the time that this video goes up, this collab will already be over, but I did mention it on Instagram that they are doing a collab, and I just love this one. This is probably my favorite one out of the three that they're releasing. It does have like a glitter like coating on it, which is really cool, and it just has the steamy bun on there, which is really cute. So super excited about that. So dang cute. Sorry. How do I turn that off? Okay. Then I don't know where to start. So let's start with this one. So she has these really cute envelopes, which are so adorable. I use them for whenever I do like declutters. I put like all of the stickers that I'm decluttering in here, and I do still need to do like a giveaway. It's on my list of things to do. So she did send me some pocket rings, little inserts. They aren't punched, but I could just punch those. They're super cute. This one's just white and black with a little unicorn, and then this one has like a really cute magical side with little characters on here, which is really cute. And then there are some pockets. So this one has hollow bow on it, and then this one's super cool. It's like glittery with hollow like sparkly stars, and then this one's really cool. It's like a hollow oil slick type look, which I like. Then she sent me, I think, a bunch of stickers. I haven't actually opened some of these, which is really cool. I don't know. Well, who's texting me? So there is the cat butts little patch, and then another one of those journaling cards, and then some stickers with these really cool like hollow outlines. This is like a hollow sparkle, and that's like a true hollow. So like seals, and then she has some mild liner checklists, which are super cute. I might actually gift those to Jessica because I feel like she would really like all of the little mild liner bits. There's some books, some cats, some more cats, and then some magical items. And then she has these Once More with Love little tabs. These are really, really cute. I'm probably going to save these for like TN setups. And then there's some more tabs. Ooh, I like the black and white ones. Ooh, and I like the pastel ones. And the little doggies. The Once More with Love Galaxy ones. The little bows. The little cats with paper clips. The little donut animals. And then the cat butts. Sorry if you hear Ben in the background. I think Benson is terrible too. Anyways, so then she also sent me some vellums, which are really cool and foiled. So there are different colored bows in silver, bows in rose gold, and then these little cupcakes in silver. And then she did send me some papers, so they're foiled on the one side. So this has a hollow foil with the bows, and this one has hollow foil on denim. And then this one has really cute little clouds. This one has boba on it with macarons on the inside, and then this one has the cupcakes with donuts on the inside, and then this one has little like avocado animals with like fashion girl stuff on the inside. Then she did send me the pocket rings and then the A5, I believe, of her current subscription. So let me go ahead into this one. So let me see that. So this one just has the inserts, some stickers, and I love these inserts. There's a lot more than just inserts in here. Let me open this up. I'm going to try and like trim some of this down to put in my pocket wider. So there are some papers in here. So these are really cute with hollow bows. I think this was like birthday related. Sparkle like a unicorn in like rainbow foil. These pink bows in, well, pink foil. And then these really cute little like Once More with Love collabs with the hollow foil that says sparkle like a unicorn. And then there are some inserts in here. So they're already pre-punched. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to use these because I haven't been using my A5 for the past like week. But I might go back to it, so I'll definitely save those. There was a little tiny package here with some stickers in it with more of those. Oh my god, they're so cute. Full boxes, checklists, some functional items. I love these little tabs. Those are really cute. Some date numbers, and then these are foiled, which are really cool. And then some, they're like kind of like clear, like almost like washi-y looking headers, which are super cute. And then there is a little patch here. I think this is adhesive patch, yeah, with a little unicorn. And then there is the Simply Gilded collab, which is really cute. Then there's also the pocket rings. Open this up. The pocket rings version, which, oh, and then it came with a pen, which is really cool. It has a sparkle effect. And then I think everything's the same for this, except for you got this little pocket insert, and then all the papers are the same. You got the washi and then all the stickers. So she does have like subs. I think she has like all the different sizes for the like her monthly one, which this is her monthly one. And then she also has a pen sub, and then she does her albums, and then she has items in shop. So she's got a lot going on. Definitely follow her on Instagram for more info on all the things. So I hope you guys like this haul. It was kind of long, but I do like long hauls. And I will talk to you guys in my next haul, which will probably be like next week. So thank you guys for watching.